Hi again, Cary Caldwell, Southeast Regional with Liberty Pumps. Now we're showing off our P-380 and P-680 pumps. This is our simplex and duplex style pumps. Come pre-assembled from the factory. We ship these out on pallets. What's good about Liberty Pumps with our products, we have this protective cover, so for any construction you don't have to worry about material going in, any type of concrete or messing it up. But removing the cover, you can show you, we have this quick access right here. This allows you to get access to the float tree should you ever need to service the floats, move the float higher, anything like that, without disturbing the plumbing. Also, if you have to get in there and clean any material, very easy to use and do. So, Liberty Pumps, we are a family-owned and employee-owned company based out of Bergen, New York. We take pride in our products. Everything here at Liberty Pumps is a 3-year warranty on the date of install. So these package systems we have here can have the regular LE41 or LE51 sewage pumps. We also have options for the grinder pumps in them as well. So we also have side discharge option. If you want to tie it into where you don't have the discharge coming out, it can have it to where it goes through the side. So please look us up, libertypumps.com. We thank you.